Did you know a UFC champion died alone in the desert while searching for the meaning of life? Evan Tanner was a broken man who drank too much and had no direction. Then he found martial arts. Fighting gave him purpose. Against all odds, this troubled kid became the UFC middleweight champion. But after retiring, Tanner felt empty again. He started reading philosophy books and searching for deeper meaning. He wanted to understand life beyond punching and kicking. In 2008, Tanner decided to go on a spiritual journey into the California desert. He rode his motorcycle into the scorching Mojave Desert alone. The temperature hit 118 degrees, then disaster struck. His bike ran out of gas in the middle of nowhere. Tanner tried to survive, sending desperate text messages to friends, but the desert heat was too much. When they found his body, the MMA world was shocked. Here was a champion who had conquered every opponent, but lost his final battle against nature itself. His search for enlightenment had led him to tragedy in the unforgiving desert.